Greetings. My name is Samuel Benjamin Hall. I am presently a part-time student at the VTDI, that's the Vocational Training Development Institute on 6 Garden Town Road, St. Andrew, in association with JAHSAM, German Automotive School, that's located on Maxfield Avenue. I am presently pursuing a bachelor's degree in education in applied technology, specializing in automotive technology. My instructor is Mr. Claude Lindsay, and he gave me this assignment to build a logic probe. And we all know in the technician field what a logic probe can be used for. It's a useful tool. Sometimes you may be out in a location where you might need a tool and you might have to go and buy a tool. But if you have the materials, you can also use them to make a good logic probe to use to do what you have to do. Presently, I have the tools and material that I'm going to use, so I want to switch the video a bit, and some of the materials and tools, some of the materials I have to search around and find resources to use. These resources are common around the workshop, like a couple pieces of wire. I went to the hardware to order the clear hose, and they did not have many of the materials, but the main components I got those. So I will work with what I have to produce this logic probe at the end. Alright, so I'm going to switch the video now to show you my table and the tools and equipment that I'm using. So 1 second please. These are the tools and machinery and material that I'm using. Over here I have a 9-volt battery, Panasonic. Right here I have the red wire, the black wire. You say red is for positive and black is for grounds. And I went ahead and prefabricated this section because the wire is short, and I don't want to take off the ends of the alligator. I don't want to take off the alligator clips end because they are already soldered. So what I did was to just remove one end, and that's the end that I'm going to use to solder the rest of the LED lights and the resistor. Right, so let us go back to the tools. So I have a piece of solder wire here, and I have 2 resistors here. I have the 470 ohm, 2 470 ohm resistor, 1 red LED light and 1 green. Right, so, and over here I have I went ahead and made my own heat shrinks, right, to put on the wires and also the brass rod. Right here I have the brass rod. It's cut at 150 millimeter, and so over here I have a pliers with a marker. I have a bit of glue, a bird bead pliers, and a few clips. Right, these are plastic strips, clips. Alright, over here that's the drill that I use to bore some holes in this component over here, and also a file and a measuring device in the form of a set square. Right, I have a lighter and a knife, and over here is my solder iron set up in a vise. That way I will have more room to do what I am doing, and that this piece of cloth is a damp cloth to cool on anything, because you know that we're working with heat, and we want to minimize that as much as possible. Right, so I'm gonna go into the actual construction of this device. So I want to set my camera that I can do so. So again, pardon me, I have to switch the video so that I can video myself with the table working at the same time. So I have to set it up because I'm alone, I don't have any help. So I'm just doing this thing by myself. So I'm going to stop the video here. Right, and I'm going to set up the video now to video the rest of the way. So please bear with me because I might not set it. It is just a phone I'm using, so I want to set it as much as possible that I can take in what I'm doing. Right, that should be good enough, I think. Yeah, not showing the table at all. Try to see if we can set up something. Okay, well, you know, I guess you guys will see what I'm doing from here. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is to connect up the fuses to the resistors, the 470 resistors, half watt, to the LED lights. Now, there's an interesting thing that you have to know about LED lights. If you look carefully, you will see that I'm going to put my background here, that one end is taller than one, right? And the shorter end is the grounds. If you look closely again on the LED, you will see that it have a square end in line with the grounds side of the light, of the LED light. But the longer end is for the positive. Alright? So you have to take into consideration that when you're connecting the ends. Alright, so with the LED light, we are going to connect the resistor. So what I will do, I just separate them like this, right, and then I will wind the resistor around the positive leg of the green LED light. Alright, so you go ahead like this, and then I will go ahead and solder that. Now you have to know that these things are delicate, so you have to minimize the heat in it. So I've set up my solder iron over here. So what I will do, I will just, I don't know the video, draw it a little closer. Draw it a little closer. Put it up here, so still not coming in the video. Alright, yes. So what I will do, I will just thin the solder iron a bit, a little solder, right? And this solder is the flux core solder, right? Right, so the flux is inside the core of the wire. So to minimize and heat, I will just apply just a little, just a moment. Let me just go around this, do this a little bit more. Around the wire around some more. Goes the burn beak. Squeeze it down. You have to be careful with these devices because they are so delicate that one wrong move and the whole thing mash up. Right? Okay, so now I'm going to start at the end. Good. So this one went well. Pull it on a bit. Let's see it better. Right. Good. So what I'm going to do again is to attach now the red wire, which is a positive, to this end of the resistor. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to apply a bit of solder there to join it as well. Right, and that seems like it turned out well as well. Good. Okay, sorry, what I did not do, I did not put on the heat strip over, so I'm going to just pull it back a little. Just pull it off. That's why you cannot fit up anything without you really go ahead and, you know, and prepare the right and proper way. Alright, so just want to separate these wires. Just solder around. So what I have to do, I seem like I have to cut it. Solder it again. I just put on each strip. Heat shrink. I made these. Just get some wire, pull out the niggle, because we already have the diameter that I want. So that's why I use it. Okay, so I'm gonna wind it again. You know, these things, you know, trial and error. So you have to, you know, be patient. You cannot rush it. You cannot rush these things. These things take technical expertise. So it is simple, but you have to get it done the right way. Right? See, I cut it, and it's a bit giving some trouble. Giving a little trouble. And you will have this in any work that you do at times. I must tell you that I'm also a welder by trade and profession, and I will start at the same VTDI. So that institution means a lot to me. And now JAHSAM is giving me a good run with education. Right? I've learned about the internet. I did internet 1 and 2, and I could recommend that school to a lot of people because the instructors there are very friendly and they communicate with the students very good. I really like going there. Alright. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just pull up this E-string over this that I started already. And an important thing to know about this E-string, you must push it all the way that this one now seems like it wants to stop. But it must come all the way up to the top there. Seems like the resistor is a little bit bigger, but I have a plan. Because the thing that I don't want is any grounding out of any wire, because you have to make sure of that these wire don't ground out on the brass rod. Right? With a little bigger E-string, I couldn't get any. So I decided I'm going to just improvise because this assignment should have gone in already. Okay. Alright, I have another plan to prevent it from grounding. Right, so it is giant. Right, so far it is giant there. Alright. Now, so this side is finished. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the red side. The red LED light, and this one you connect this one to the ground side of the LED light. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to wind, or I'm going to separate these two a bit, and look for the shorter leg, which is the negative side, which is, I know that the negative side is called the cathode and the positive side is called the anode. Alright, so get down to it like this. Get in there. So the greatest thing is for this thing to work at the end. to see functionality of the device as we go along. Right, so this side can be soldered now. Right. Apply a little solder again. Till the solder iron. Good. Now I will just solder this section here. Yes, and this is a good solder. I will test it. Good. Test it. Firm. Right. Now I won't make the same mistake with this heat strip with this again. So what I will do, I will just put on this one now. That it work just the same. There will be a bit tight. Trying to work it through. And the same size wire. You see, my one is bigger than one. I should get the heat strip to tell you the truth. I should get the heat strips, but because of I could not get them, I decided to use these just for insulation purpose. Because you know that we deal with heat and stuff. So we have to make sure we have this one gone for you. Put it over. Alright. So I just want to get this wire through. Right, this heat strip is a bit you know, it need a little lubrication or something to wire go faster. I want heat and there is no lubrication. All I want to see is the wire go through. It's like stringing an eagle. An eagle I done faster. Yeah? Coming to attack. Put the wire. So if you try to this right, you can dry it through. Alright, see it come through there now. Alright, so what I will do, I am going to wind this end again around the resistor 470 ohm half watt. Solder it as well. Cool a bit. It was good. Alright. Strong joints apart. Alright. Now I'm going to just draw the heat strip. If this one will work better than the next one. This one works better. This wire is stronger, sturdier than the next one. Alright, so this one already already. That's what the green one should have done. But you can't say I don't get something from it. Worse. But I have another plan still that I'm going to draw for. So this is right up underneath that one. So good to go there. Right? Good. Now, so this is done. What I'm going to do now is to work on the brass rod. So I have to sharpen one end. So I'm just going to take it over to the grinder machine and just sharpen. Good. Yeah, we have to give the Logic Pro a bit of point to test where you're testing, and it can always be sharp down each time. Right? You want to sharpen it to pointed. Right? Okay. So what I'm going to do, and now I will show you the trick that I have up my sleeve. Right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to push this, cut off this end. Push the brass rod right through. But before I do so, I am going to sandpaper off about 2-inch section, and that's where I'm going to join the other end of the LED light. So I'm going to shear it like this in the middle. Yeah, some of the section there. I need to stand for more than that because it's all about the solder. So you join it. Yeah, but you have to take off that coating of the metal for the solder to work properly. Alright? Just put it good enough. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to push this through the heat shrink like this. Alright. Yeah, right up to the end there. Alright, and now I'm going to take out a piece. Alright, I'm going to take out a piece and leave we have 150 millimeter. 150 millimeter. Half a 150 millimeter is 75. And you want to take out at least 10, 20, 30 millimeters. Let's take it 30. That is here. 30 millimeters. you know, I'm going to pick out a smaller piece. I'm going to pick out 20. Very big bias. Separate. Again. You can always cut off what is left. Right, so anything that is left over, you can cut off. Separate. Right. Separate. So this is where now, so let me take off these two ends. Now let's put them on top. One to the right, next one to the right. Good. So this is where now we want the solder or LED. Now this is where I tell you about the chip that I have on my steel. So what I'm going to place the LED is like this. Sorry. So one will go to the end as close as possible. Let me try again to see if this can go somewhere. So don't try what I feel. Let's try it and fail. And fail to try it. So try it one more time. This thing. Few times. See if it will work. One. Like that tool. Moving slowly. Moving slowly. Oh. See? Do not leave that chair with that. Keep it carried up. Now, much better too. Alright. So where I'm going to put this now is to set it right to the end like this. And I'm going to wind it around like this because it's well insulated now. So I'm just going to wind it around like this. Get that inside. Just give it a little crimp. The bird, the glass. Yeah. So that seems looking good so far. Right. And this is where I told her that I have a little chip because if I couldn't get it up, I was going to just use that piece of background here as the insulator. But it worked out, so we are now way. Right? And then now we will solder this end. Solder this end. Take a little solder there again. And you have to be careful with this one because you don't want the heat to come as too close to the LED light. So you have to be careful there. One wrong move and everything can go bad. Right? Right, so are very delicate. You have to be monitoring them every bit of the way to get that job done properly. Yes, it seems like it's holding. Yes, it's holding. So don't want to really put too much, as I said, too much heat and solder on it. Alright, so good. Alright. Then now I am going to bring other LED light as close as possible as well. And notice I turn the two back to back, right, to wind the next end of the side. So right here I have to cut off this little piece here, and it might be I take off the whole thing, but it's still more the better. More insulation the better. And I'm going to take it out. So I'm going to just cut it right here. Right here. Hope it works. This thing is the first. I'm doing something like this though. It's all because of JAHSAM and VTI. And if I even know say I don't have the ability. But you know, in life you cannot be too old to learn. You can't too young to learn, you can't too old to learn. So this is this one I am. You can't too old to learn. Good. Now I'm gonna connect now I'm gonna start at the next end of the LED right here. I'll just wind it around like this. Wind it around like this. Closely. Closely. So I don't want too much play. That winding, I really winding them close. Good. Now we have it like that. So now it's ready to take some solder. So what I will do, I'll do the same thing, apply some solder to each side. Stick in there. Small solder iron, so right. Wait. Go. Let's see some. I was saying to them, I do one. But anyway, capital. Do steam. Smooth. Have to be careful at this stage because it's very delicate right here. Delicate right here. Alright. Seem like it's doing a thing. Good. So before you fit up everything, this is where you would want to test for functionality. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just what I'm going to do here, I'm going to bend the wires in the direction of the handle part. This is the point to them, so you have to bend them carefully. You don't want to get them dismantled. So what I do, I just simply do it like that. Bring it up right right angle like that, hold it to it like that. And I'm going to do the same thing to the next one. We have them going in this direction now. Good. Now I went ahead and prepared this section as an insulator. This is a piece of welding hose. So when I look, I see that we have the same diameter on the 5 inside. I can just drag it up over the wire like this. That's why I told you that I prefabricate this section because of the alligator clip that I have to I did not have not the alligator clip. I did not have some other wires, 110 wire and so forth. Because when I bought these wires, they told me that this is the only thing that they have. So I said, give it to me. I will find something. So, this is where I am now. I'm trying to bring the whole thing over this diameter. Here is the feeding. I will try to get this. I already make a groove in this, so the groove is far to come as far as possible. Because I'm going to put another pipe over the other pipe over. Okay, and you know I bring it this way because so that the straight up these. So okay then. So yeah, I don't know what to do because I'm falling over everything this now. Good. Still like in my relationship. Bit over a bit. Skirt this goes to right here so that you will have it as straight. You have it as straight. This is where you test it out. See if both lights are ready. Alright, I will just leave it right there as the other pipe is coming over it. Right. Okay, so now we are to the testing stage. So you must always test it before you fit it up properly. So what I will do, I will just connect the red. Red to the positive, which is this one here. So here goes, here goes, and this is a 9-volt battery. And I don't think you need more than that for this type of wire, and also because most system in a vehicle runs off between 3 to 9 volts. Good. So there you have it. Both lights are working. Let me use a background. This one. So anyway, right. So this is it. No, the one that I showed. Oh. What do you see in the lights? red and green, red and green, green and red. That's the color. See them? Two light moving up bright. Right, so put it to the side. Alright, so that clear sign that this test is working out. Alright, so let me disconnect them now. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to test the let's see how I'm going to do this now. Let's see. So once I use the probe to touch the positive, and I light should go out. Right? So so that is showing that so it's working properly. Right? So if I transfer now to the negative, so this will show that you have positive going through the circuit there, and if I put it on the negative, the green light should go out. The red light should go out and the green light keep on. So they are both working. Okay, so this probe, this logic probe, have passed the test. Right, so I can fit it up now and run out another test on it, and it should be good. So this is a tool that every technician, auto technician, should have in his possession. You can make it yourself. Alright, so I'm just going to disconnect them again and fit it up properly. Alright, yeah, so I use this PVC pipe because you can't mess with this. So I'm going to push it, it have the proper diameter to go all the way over everything. So I will just push it up all the way. Oh, see, so. Space now. Twist it on, it's still. Twist it on, it's still. See that going out. Alright, tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to just take out a little bit piece more of this. I'm going to use the hacksaw. Take out a little piece more. Not too little trick. Possible. So you see me doing this, that to show you that that's what I did before to prefab some of these things, because to save on time, and as I said before, the length of wire I did not have it, so improvise. And this is what learning at JAHSAM can teach you, or learning through VTDI can teach you to help us. And that's what the whole thing I've helped me to do, to help myself. I'm supposed to get a degree at the end of my training, degree certification. Because I was trained in welding and fabrication. I'm a welding and fabrication instructor. So when I went to upgrade, I did not have any thing for mechanical engineering, so I had to choose automotive technology, which have been a bit of welding and stuff. So I'm actually acquiring another skills as well. Sorry, I couldn't get a bigger pipe, 7 millimeter. Fine, let's see, that's what you have to do sometimes after this. Use what you got until I get what you want. So I wanted to use a clip, a little clip and clip this strap. That's where I like to use this strap. So I can back down, get it steady. Should really have a piece of masking tape, but I don't know how many I have at my home. I don't have any here. So I decided to use this strap, but I don't want to use this strap now because this strap might get in the way. So let me search for a bit of tape. Now, plenty people don't know what's a scandal bag. Can be an electrical insulator. When I don't have black tape, I don't worry. I just get a nice piece of scandal bag. You know, because it's also can be used as an insulator. I have wrapped wire for years, and it stay for years with scandal bag. When you look on the masking tape, it don't come off left the plastic bag. So this is sometimes it's best for you to use your own machine sometimes. But when the actual writing, no good. Yeah, help you. So I am a man who learn to improvise over time. Learn to improvise over time. Because I know sometimes people don't have it. You can't buy the material. You cannot even buy the tool. Yeah. Right now, for me to start out a life in automotive, I have to get every tool. Yeah, because I started late. So I would have to get every tool in the world to work with it. But so far, I tell you, when I learn a JAHSAM, I tell you, man, you can help yourself. Just the tools that we need. If any sponsor is there hearing me, can help me, man, to learn some more about this thing with the right tool. I know, he's a practical man. Not to know like he's a practical. I learned practically doing the thing. Cement it better than me. So a few things me do have my own, but I still need that, that practical experience. Still need it, man. My rest of colleagues, them are mechanic. All of them are me and the only welder in the group. But them take care of me. I tell everybody enough they take care of me, they take good care of me. Yeah, man. Them great, man. Those guys are special, man. I tell you. Those guys are wonderful. Wonderful people. All of them take care of us. The woman, them call, oh, we have 2 ladies in the group as well. Pauline and Charmaine. That will kill with joke. Charmaine will make a laugh till I get a boss. And Miss Smith, she is nice. She is nice. Mr. Yuan, Eve, Simon, Kirk. I have some couple guys from St. Anne, the great Sutherland and Wisdom. feel it for Pino, my virgin. Don't feel it for Pino, my virgin, man. Don't feel it for my virgin, Pino. You know? So them say we are the two herbalists. You know? But that's how life going on. Doctor is herbalist. Lawyer is herbalist. Things in life is how you use it. How you use it. You know? Nothing in life you must overdo. Not even, you know, I have any good fear. Still you can't overdo. So everything in life, you have to be cautious. I am a cautious man. Very, very cautious. And the reason why I have to be cautious is because it's once bitten, why shy? All time people, once bitten, why shy? I catch an old person who is saying, they will learn from the first mistake. Alright, so this is there now. So we can push up this pipe over here. So we can get it all the way here. Over the pipe here. We can do this straight down here. So, right, so down here so now. Seem like I have to cut off this piece. It seems like I have to cut off it. Take it off back in. As I said, destroy the logic alligator. Click there. So I try to take it from the side. So we can cut it. Split it. No? See if we can come off that way there. Oops. So don't do shit. If you like I said, it won't slice through, you know. So, big time, little by little, every little make a muckle. Every muckle make a mickle. That's the matter. Don't follow this Rastaman here. So also joke like Jonas is so simple. Jonas is so simple. Why is the Rasta is? There's some man. You have to prove to the world we are thinking. You go do it through BT there. BT there and Jaggers them never let me down. They accept the same way. Especially BT there. They know how me turn. They know seminar have no behavior sometimes. But we love them. They are managerial people, managerial professional people. When them can't take a man like me and train him and eat from me, what else you can do? That is really big and Jaggers. And so, if you talk about you take and if you take get the training, you get a UVT there, and Jaggers. They don't want to get training in that paper. You put them on the work, you can hold the nail. Never pull a nail or strike a rod. Or pull a nut. You have to be careful with this thing because I don't want to cut the wire on this side. I try to see. So life you say. They are whiny until they get close. You go out and then so I take time. Problems do happen in work and you also have to fix it. You have to be able to fix it. Sometimes you can't left where you are to fix it. Fix it same time. And fix it and like you run to a supermarket or run to a hardware to buy something. So you have to fix right away. Right away now, try to fix this and the job. Yeah, why? It's a bit tedious. And that is how it happen to Prento. You know, through nervousness and things. Sometimes you will sleep. Not too much. Once separate it that we can cut it properly down so. So now I pull off it again. Anyway, the greatest thing out of the way, it a function, and that was my biggest fear. But I'm getting more confident now. The next one I go build, bam 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 bam, done man, factory made man, out the road man, me I send that right away. Seeing Soji, out the road me I send that right away. Soji I'm an instructor. Soji the car. Deal with the rasta, right? You see? Beard up face, brother. Yeah. So Lindsay, look why look at me take it out. Anyone Muslim thing I could have gone. Anyone Muslim thing I would have gone. So Lindsay, come on, them thing I'm going to job to man. You have to find a way to fix it. Fix it. See if I fix it, I come through. They always have some car in it. I've got the gloves them over this. Them job you can't put on a big gloves there. Get to it, also finger tip. And as I should say, safety first. So the safety glass, which we have my eyeglass, just wear my eyeglass because I'm funny sometimes. I will make sure I have coverall. See, this sign means so it stands for fertility and life and love. So this Rasta full of love. Everyone, you understand? There's no one, not even the enemy. Trust that yet. And at times you have to let even your enemy help you, is it? And you have to save them too. You know? So that's my mission. Right, so we get all this now here so my next step now. Sorry guys, the video went. It seems like the phone battery is giving up some problem and it is on charge. So as I said, I don't know if you missed that part, but I glued it up and it is drying now. So that's the only thing that I miss. So now I'm gonna try to clean it up now. And clean it up now. See, I'll play a little bit more. It's alright, man. Just the glue to dry and hold. I mean, it was glue because later on, if I want to pull it, we can just easily pull it out. See it dry now. Let's leave it a bit. You just get some more dry. After that, I'll do the next end. See my batch going, so the video is keep on go off and go on. Just quickly, yes guys, back again quickly. As I was saying, the battery was giving problems, so I have to move fast now. Yes, sorry about that guys, the video keep chipping out and going because the device is full, so it's giving me a problem. Anyway, let's see if I can quickly finish up this point here. Yeah, well, forward again guys. You know, the video was giving problem, the phone temperature went up and I had to cool it down, and also I have to remove some other videos and pictures and so to get more space and all those stuff, because this is the device I have to use. I don't have anything else. My computer is out and stuff, so what I plan to do is to merge the videos together after I'm finished. So Sir Lindsay, just bear with me, sir. Alright? Let's watch it. Alright, so you guys didn't miss anything much, you know, because the last thing I was doing was to glue this cap over the handle section of the probe, and I also went ahead and glued the other cap over the front part where the brass rod is. So I bored a hole. If you look carefully, I bored a hole right there so that the brass rod can go through. So I'm going to finish it up now and you know, make a conclusion. Alright, so right now I am going to just wind a piece of black tape over the brass rod or the probe, just to enhance the look. And I'm also going to cut this ballpoint pen bottom half and put over the point to a certain dimension, and it's also to enhance the look of the probe. Alright, so that is what I am going to do now. So I'm going to just wind the black tape over the probe end, and this is just to enhance the look. You know, make it have like a factory made look like. You know, by doing something you have to try to let it look presentable as well. Alright, so I will just leave out at least an inch. That's supposed to be good enough. Right, the one thing you need, you push the rod all the way down when the effect is at the point already. So I won't wind it all the way down. You know, you half mass it, you know. So you can tell them, say, Rasta half mass it. Rasta half mass it, you know. Now I go the full length. Yeah. So no need to fear Ras. Ras have good judgment. Good judgment here. Yeah? Sir Lindsay, tell them that friend. You know who me attack. So them don't need to be scared. You know? Tell them say your student have good judgment. Alright, Soji? Yeah, tell them say, yo, me trading man, I have good judgment, man. I have good judgment. You know? Give him a chance. Yeah, man. That's if we start telling them so early. Sorry. Alright. So now that I get that out of the way, I am going to just tip a little glue to kind of hold it in place. Alright. You have to cut it off. Do a fireman. Nearly blew up my lip. Good. That was enough. Yeah. Let's finish. Stop now. Alright. Then the next thing now is to measure the pen point that I'm going to put over there. I'm going to just stop it right here, right at the black section there of the black tape. That measurement should be good enough. Enough that I'll leave out. Right, so I'll just cut it right here. I'm going to use the saw to mark it. And then I'm going to use the pliers, vice grip pliers, to hold it. So this is my little hand vise. Then I can go right ahead now and cut it. Cut it. Now, sometimes you have to cut things. You have to mend things and you have to cut some things. Cut this pen because I need this part here. The rest of the pen is crumbling up, but the part that I want. Okay, so far, yeah, okay, yeah, good. I'm going to clean up the ends there now. See, I want to finish this part fast. I don't want the video run out pan again. See, God, if I wait the next length of time, I can't do that. You know, this project's been going a long time, but you know, what's really just show me some understanding, you know, because the folder and send me to open. I wait weeks before I get a response to that. So you get it in the holiday. You say, you know what, I'm gonna in case I'm do it, you know, send it in right away. So the only thing I have to do now after I should take that part. Take that part. Oh, sorry to shift it. Remove. Better. Come down closer to where I want it. Yeah, sometimes some things happen. You have to just look carefully and see if it helps you first before you quarrel. So this look okay. Good. So just blow upon it little. Dry a little quicker. Alright, so now I have a more better looking probe. Alright, so you see guys, is it looking good? Right, now the final thing now is to test it one more time. Let you guys see that it is still working. So what I'm gonna do, connect the negative first this time. I'm gonna connect the positive afterwards, and that is a way of safety also. Connect the negative first and the positive. Whoa, still working. You can go over this. Yes, so there you go guys, still working. Alright, now I'm going to test for positivity and negativity, or for continuity and discontinuity. Oh, the clip said no, keep on good. Alright, let me go one more time. Negative, then positive, onward, catward first, then onward afterward. Yes, this should be good now. So pay attention carefully guys. I'm going to check the continuity and discontinuity. So this is the continuity. You can put it anywhere. Right, so we have continuity, the green light go out and the red light stay on. Right? Showing you that current is running through that circuit. Alright, we're going to test the discontinuity now, or the negative. Right, and the green light on and the red light go off. Alright, so that's true that you have discontinuity there. Alright, and even if we switch around the pole, it will give you the same result or not. So that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video so far. I'm not perfect, I'm just trying to do my best, and so all I can say, thanks for watching and blessings, God blessings.